Hey everyone, so today we are going to do PDF inputs, right? This is a new feature we just dropped and I'm very excited because I've had customers ask me about this a few times and I'm so glad we finally dropped this, right? So first, what's the scenario? The scenario is you have a whole bunch of PDFs, right? Let's say you work in the medical industry or any other industry where you guys typically have a lot of forms that people are filling out. Or maybe you just want receipts, right? You have receipts of different things you've done, and you really just need to put them all in a sheet. But let's assume you have hundreds of them, right? Like hundreds or thousands of them, right? So this is how you're going to do this. So we're going to use, if you have PDF links already, you could use them directly, but most people aren't just, walking around with PDF links. So we added something in SheetXAI for you to be able to upload your images and PDFs, but it's for a short period of time. So we keep it on our servers for 24 hours, but that should be more than enough time for you to test, for you to get the information you need from the PDF, right? So we're going to click this and I'm going to grab all these invoices, which are all mock data, none of them are real. So we have 50 invoices here, right? And we're going to upload and we're going to let SheetXAI do the uploading, right? Once we get the URLs, these are the links we're going to use, right? How to use your files. And it's giving you exactly how to use that PDF file. Now, we're going to test this right now. We're going to copy all URLs, come here, and we're going to paste this. So now we have 50 URLs, right? And what we want is we want all the information from this. So I'm just gonna cut this off a little bit because I don't like how it's looking. But I'll cut this off like this. Perfect. And we're gonna write #SCI #A. So here, #SCI right here tells SheetXAI, it calls our system, and #A here we're telling it what we're referencing, right? So you're basically saying look at column A for the actual link to the thing. Now, before you send this, make sure to start it with PDF. I forgot to add that at the top, but you want to put exclamation PDF at the top before you type your information. This is what tells SheetXAI that we're working with a PDF here, right? So it's #SCI PDF, your prompt, and then any references, which in this case the reference is column A, right? So you would just send that, and we're gonna do this so it runs on all the rows, and we're gonna give it a second because SheetXAI is going to turn it into formulas. Okay, so as you can see, it's running it for all of them, right? And it actually returned the data pretty nicely, right? And here we have the items bought, I believe total amount, I believe taxes paid, the date, and whether it was a personal or business expense, right? And just like that, in a few minutes, 50 rows of data is done, right? 50 rows of data. Now you're probably thinking, okay, what are we going to do? How do I make sure this looks, this is, how I want it, right? And the way to do this is columns C, D, E, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I add a G. Okay. So now we send this and we just wait, right? And let's see if it turns it into the right things. Just give it a second. I'm going to speed this up a tiny bit. But, oh, I didn't even need to speed it up, right? So now we have everything, right? And I didn't speed this up. And just like that, we have everything, right? These were the products bought. So let's check if the products bought are really what was bought, right? So here we have 4K monitor and smartwatch pro. So let's see. 4K monitor and smartwatch pro, right? Okay. We have smartwatch pro here. We have here the webcam, and let's verify the prices too. So the webcam right here, webcam, tablet, smartwatch pro, wireless charger, Bluetooth speaker, total of $4343 with $321 tax. $4343, $321 tax. I mean, this is just perfect, right? So yeah, I just really wanted to show this to you guys because I'm very excited about this, and I can imagine the amount of time it's going to save anybody else. So I hope you guys love it and have a nice one.